All right, my computer sounds like it's about to take off. So let's see if we can get through this. So I have this text that I flattened in our last video. What I want to show you is how to actually add or remove it from a primitive shape. So we're going to use a rectangle. I'm going to draw it over top. What I can do after that is actually send it to the back so it's behind. That's a little too far back though. I want it above my frame at least. So I just can drag it on up there. Once I have these two things overlaying each other, what I can do is select them both. Now, it may not be totally clear at first here, but when I go up here, there is a little drop-down menu for our Booleans. So we can either add these things together, which won't do anything, it'll just make a rectangle for us, or we can subtract the thing in front from the thing behind. If I click that, what we end up with is a vector that is our rectangle that we had before with the text removed from it. Now, it might not be totally clear what's going on, but basically if we were to say take this to the laser cutter or the vinyl cutter, we could either cut out the letters now, or that would be something we peel out if it's a vinyl decal. What's also great is, like any old shape that you have, you can actually add to a shape that already exists. So if I wanted to have like some kind of like weird bubble, I don't know what's going on, we'll just make something strange with like a kind of weird shark fin, I don't know, popping off the top. I have multiple vectors now. I'm going to hit escape, and I'm actually going to give this a fill just so it's a little clearer what's going on. Alright, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4 distinct vectors. If I take them and I select them all, I can actually go up to Boolean union, and now they're all one vector. They've been combined together. So you can kind of see what's going on with this tool up here. It's super useful as you're trying to make complex shapes out of component parts, or you're trying to make some sort of void in your object. Now I don't need a stroke, I can turn that off, and there we go. Alright, so that is how to use our Boolean tools. You can use it with flattened text, you can use it with multiple objects, whatever you want to do. Alrighty, see you next video.